we're just gonna get straight into it. So today I stopped by Best Buy. Reason is I have a tripod, but it's broken. Yeah, it's broken. So I went and picked this up. It's a sunpak. That's the brand. Sunpak, however you want to say it. Hold on, we can't get the glare. The glare gonna be tough. It's flipped for y'all, I'm pretty sure. But anyway, so the thing that's broken on the one that I have is this. I can't tighten it, and if you can't tighten this, you can't like tilt the camera over or tilt it back, or the phone, whatever you're using to record. You can't tilt it forward or back. The main reason I went was for a tripod, not a tripod, but something to hold the phone while I record if I choose to record that way. Because I have this, a selfie stick, pretty decent length, but look how, like, it's not very friendly on your hand to hold. Like, I don't know. And when you're holding it, sometimes barely moving it, you just notice every little movement you do with this. And I don't like it that much because I had to pull back some of the actual rubber so I could be able to press the button. But I mean, if you're using it for video recording, that's fine. But I don't even remember the brand on this one. But this is a Bluetooth one. You can charge that up. I had this for a long time. I don't remember where I got it from. But the main reason I actually went was for something like this. And this is I just now got it, so I don't even remember the name. Quikpod Selfie Rebel. So it extends to 37 inches. It has super light. It says super light 6.2 ounce. So it's not heavy. So it's not going to be like holding around a Joby Gorilla. I'm not for sure how heavy those are, but I'm pretty sure they're heavier than this because the little cheap tripod I got from Walmart, that's a little annoying to carry sometimes. And actually that broke. So I had to get a smaller tripod just to sit on the desk anyway. So that led me to choose to get this because this one's 50 inches, but see, it'll stand up about, that high off the desk, like around up here. And I could use that behind the computer to just set up whatever shot I want to set up or whatever, if I want to stream, all that good stuff. But we're just going to be doing a quick unboxing of this. On the back of it, it says what it's for. It's for all GoPro action cameras, smartphones, digital cameras. It has the universal, like most of the time, every screw that I see for like a selfie stick or a tripod mount for the camera is about the same size. So you should be good there to go if you want to use your own little phone clamp. And the main reason I got this is because it has a smartphone adapter. So it has this right here. So with that right there, instead of being this one, I don't know. I've had these break on me, the little flimsy ones that you just pull out. I mean, they hold your phone pretty tight, but when you hold it, pull it out, for some reason, my phone likes to not bend, but it likes to point this way at the bottom. So it's kind of like at an angle, and then that can cause it to slide out. But with this, I tried it out in the store. I couldn't even get it to fall out. Tried my best, and it wouldn't work. So in the box, you get nothing too fancy when you crack that open. Inside of here, you get this. You get the stick, you get the phone clamp, and you get the mount for the Go cameras, the GoPros, whatever. All the different kinds you can have. They pretty much should mount with that. But checking it out, you can see the size difference in an ordinary selfie stick. So you have, and it even gets a little wider at the base, so you have a really nice grip you can get on it. So this versus this, you actually, like, see, even if I put the little rubber back up on it, this is still way more sturdy to hold and all that stuff. And then to extend it, you just twist it and pull it out, and then you twist again, just twist the opposite direction, and then you're extended. So this one is pretty nice. So let me get the phone clamp out. And this video is a little all over the place. I'm sorry about that. But you just take it and you screw it on to the top. And you can also use this for other tripods. You can use it for, tripods. You can use it for another selfie stick, whatever you want to do. It does not matter. It's your own choice. Hold up, I want it to face me. Okay. So I think we're good. So once you get that on, that's about what it looks like right here. And you can tilt this at an angle and you can tighten it on the side with this. So you tighten it on the side and then boom, you're ready to go. Point that thing wherever you need to point it. Whoops. Point that thing wherever you need to point it. Don't hurt nobody. I can't be liable for if you hurt somebody. That's your own fault. So once you tighten it up, get your phone on there. Like your phone's not going nowhere. Like I really do trust this. Now the only thing you might not want to do is wiggle it back and forth because you might mess around and make it release. But I mean, you can pretty much tighten it. Hold up, let me not tighten it too much. I don't want to break it. But like, look, I'm doing too much. But your phone is not coming out. Like I really do trust this to hold the phone. It's doing its job. So if you want to use it for like, say you're vlogging or whatever, it's really light. Like it honestly feels like the only thing that I'm holding is the phone, which it should feel like that. So if you come back here, you know, you can get your little angles, get your selfie going on. Hi guys, getting the pic. Head ass. But I mean, I like it. It's pretty nice. You can extend it out just that part if you want to. You can just choose whatever length you like. So pretty nice. I like it. So whenever you see me doing a little stand-up video, walking around, more than likely I'm going to be using this because this feels like it's going to be the easiest thing for me to use compared to all the other stuff that I could be using. So that's that. I'm going to set that aside. So on to this. This is the sunpak tripod, 50 inch. It's a pretty tall tripod. My doctor's telling me I'm 5'10" all my life, so we're gonna go with 5'10". It comes up about to my chest. It's not a short tripod by any means. It's pretty nice in size. You actually do get a carrying case, so if you want to throw this in your bag or whatever, you don't got to worry about. I mean, I don't care if my tripod gets scratched. I mean, it's just a tripod to me, as long as it doesn't break. But it does come with that. Once you open that, take that out. It doesn't come with this inside the bag. Like, it doesn't come with it inside. It's just laying on top. Excuse me. It's just laying on top. So I did open it to make sure it wasn't nothing broken or anything, because, you know, people could just throw stuff around when it's shipping and all that stuff. But when you, hold on now. But you can either use it like a desk tripod, just hit it like that. You get the perfect size. This is about the size that I got it right now. My webcam is above my laptop screen. So you could just set this behind your laptop and just use it like this. But this will give you the ability to like turn it, tilt it, twist it to however, whatever angle you need. And you can unscrew the side, just like most tripods. Unscrew the side and you can lift it up if you want to get like a little overhead angle for the desk or whatever. Maybe you're doing a makeup tutorial, anything like that. You can just simply just tilt it towards your face and just do your thing, you know what I'm saying? Just get straight to it. But there's not really much to this. It actually did come with something I didn't expect for it to come with. It came with one of the cell phone mounts. It came with that. And you never can have too many of these because these can break on you super easy. And it also came with the GoPro or, you know, the Go Action cameras type of things. It came with one of those mounts too. So this is just a quick little video. Initial thoughts on these two products. Obviously, they're not the same brand. They're not from the same company, all that stuff. I just picked them up at the same time, and I was like, what's the point in hitting y'all with multiple different videos when I like to ramble anyway? So might as well just get all my rambling out in one video. So there you have it. We have the, I gotta remember these names, the Quikpod, and we have the sunpak 50-inch tripod. So yeah, and I got these both from Best Buy. The total for both of these bad boys was, after tax, was $40. $40. Let me see the individuals on them. The sunpak was $16.99 before tax, and the Quikpod was $19.99. So in all honesty, I've bought some of the cheaper $5 selfie sticks just to get this piece. So just to get this piece, I've bought like probably like, I'm not gonna lie, like maybe $30 worth of the $5 ones, and I never kept the selfie stick because I didn't need it. It was the one that plugged into the mic so you could take the picture. I never used it because I had the Bluetooth one. I just needed this because this would always break on me. It would actually break, either this part would break, the side, and you can't use it, or this part would break and snap because you tighten it too much. If you want to get a sturdy, secure fit, you tighten it. But if you tighten it too much, it will break. It'll break that plastic, and then it won't have any tightness no more. It'll be super gone, and you can't use it. So hopefully, hold up. Hopefully, I don't know if I'm gonna keep this on here. It just got stuck on the desk. I mean, that's cool in case. Maybe I'll leave it. You never know. It might become super clumsy, but hopefully this one will last longer than these have for me. So yeah. Anyway, just wanted to let you guys see those, and maybe if you're looking for some tripods, you can go check those out. But anyway, that's all, you guys. Till next time, it's your boy Waxel, and I'm out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video with somebody that's looking for a tripod, or just share it just because. Anyway, till next time, deuces.